Knife collector the Netherlands here. Good morning. It's a beautiful day. Sun is shining. Can't see a cloud on the sky. It's still early, but I'm very excited. I got some new knives in this week. Several fixed blades. But I just want to show you a few of the folding knives that came in. Later on, the next days or so, I will shoot a video for each knife individual. These are 6 knives I'm pretty excited about. First of all, a Benchmade Rukus. Is a mini Rukus 6/15/14/01. It's a limited edition. 1000 pieces are made. It's highly collectible. Access lock, of course. Very smooth. Excited to purchase this one. Next. This is an interesting knife. It's a Junglee Tri Force. Junglee is an American brand. Knives were made in Taiwan. This brand doesn't exist anymore. And I'm pretty excited I got one. They have some similarities with Benchmade AFCK knives, and I like it a lot, but I'll tell you more about it in his own video. Benchmade Contego. This is the A10-14/01. It's the Kniveworks exclusive. So with the black and blue G10 and the M390 blade. Very nice collectible knife. Very glad to have this one. Custom Knife Factory Sukhoi 2.0. These are also very limited. Aren't made anymore. Titanium handle, full titanium, carbon fiber inlay, F35 VN blade. Very long, slim knife with phenomenal action. Two Reate knives, a District 9 and a Horizon. Very gorgeous, full titanium F35 VN knives. Both are very smooth. Very good action. The Horizon, in this case the Horizon wins from the District 9, I think, but the differences are very subtle in the action, but I don't know. Both are very good. So, 6 folding knives I'm very excited of. Please watch the channel. I will upload individual vids for these knives very soon. And because I'm close to the 100 subscribers, I'm thinking about a giveaway. I don't do a specific giveaway video, but when I do the giveaway it will be hidden in a regular presentation vid as a surprise. So it's important you watch the channel, you keep watching the channel when you want to participate in the giveaway, and that you watch the entire vid, because you never know what you can win, and it will be a surprise, it will be hidden. So only for the viewers who will watch carefully, they can participate in the giveaway. Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye.